This is a Qatar Airways aircraft model. Qatar Airways Company QCSC. Operating as Qatar Airways, is the state-owned flag carrier of Qatar. Headquartered in the Qatar Airways Tower in Doha, the airline operates a hub-and-spoke network, linking over 150 international destinations across Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and Oceania from its base at Hamad International Airport, using a fleet of more than 200 aircraft. Qatar Airways Group employs more than 43,000 people. The carrier has been a member of the One World Alliance since October 2013, the first Persian Gulf carrier to sign with one of the three airline alliances. In January 2015, the airline concluded an order for 4 Boeing 777-FS in a deal worth $1.24 billion. Qatar Airways also took purchase rights on 4 more aircraft of the type. In June 2015, it was disclosed Qatar Airways ordered 10 Boeing 777-8XS and 4 additional Boeing 777-FS for $4.18 billion. In January 2016, the carrier received its first Boeing 747 nose loader. As of February 5, 2017, the airline had the longest regularly scheduled flight of a commercial airline, between Doha and Auckland. It has since lost the title to Singapore Airlines' Newark to Singapore route, which was first operated on October 11, 2018. In September 1, 2017, it was announced that Qatar Airways bought 49% of AQA Holding, the new shareholder of Meridiana. In November 2018, the airline announced it would expand its flights to Iran, landing at Tehran and Shiraz, as of January 2019, and to Isfahan in February. In December 2018, the CEO of Qatar Airways, Akbar Al-Baker, threatened to pull the company out of the One World Alliance in February, following accusations that alliance members Qantas and American Airlines engaged in hostile business practices against his carrier. On April 30, 2019, Qatar Airways retired its last Airbus A380-600 from service after around 16 years of service. The last flight was QR-835 from Bangkok Suvarnabhumi International Airport to New Doha International Airport. The removal from service was to lower the age of its fleet as well as its ineffectiveness compared to the Boeing 777 as stated by CEO Akbar Al-Baker in 2009. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.